To share your phone screen to PC, first of all, go to your Android phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. In here, scroll down and tap on Software Information. And here, you will find this build number. So we have to enable developer options. To turn on developer options, we have to tap this build number for 11 times or 7 times maybe. I'm not sure. Try 7 times and 11 times. Any of them will work. Now verify your phone lock and allow development settings. Click on OK and your developer mode will turn on. Now we have to turn on USB debugging in developer mode. So go to your phone settings once more. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on developer options. In developer options, scroll down. Under debugging section, here you'll find USB debugging. So must turn on this USB debugging on your smartphone or Android phone. Now let's jump into our PC. On your computer, open a browser and search for Scrcpy, Scrcpy GitHub. Search for it and open this GitHub link. In this GitHub page, here under releases, you find the Scrcpy latest version. Just click on that. And here, scroll down. Under assist, find out the Scrcpy zip file. So my PC is 64 bits, so I'm just downloading Scrcpy Windows 64 zip file. And we can see the file is now downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer and go to downloads folder. And now we have to unzip or extract this zip file. Once extract, go to the folder, open the folder. Inside of this folder, here you will find this scrcpy.exe file. Now before opening this exe file, we have to connect our phone with PC. So first of all, let's see how to connect our phone with PC using the USB cable or charging cable. So connect your phone with the USB or charging cable and then unlock your Android phone and go to your notification center. Here tap on USB option. And now use USB for section. We have to select here USB tethering or USB debugging. And verify your phone pattern or lock. And once you select it, here you will find allow USB debugging option. So make sure to check this option. Always allow from this computer and then tap on allow. Once done, go to the Scrcpy folder and now we have to launch this Scrcpy.exe file. And then we can see my phone display is now showing on my PC. And I can also use or control my phone from my computer just like this. So this was the first method to connect our phone with computer using the cable. Now let's see how to connect phone with PC without cable using Wi-Fi. So keep your phone connected via USB cable. Again, go to your Scrcpy folder and here in this folder we have to open CMD. So from this folder, click this address bar of this folder and here type CMD and hit enter. And then CMD will open for this Scrcpy folder. Okay, here we have to type this command Scrcpy and I don't know this symbol, what this symbol is, TCP IP, then hit enter and make sure your phone is unlocked. Hit enter and then you can just remove the charging cable or USB cable from your device. And as you can see, I removed the USB cable or charging cable and still my phone is connected with my PC. So now you can go ahead and use or control your Android phone from your computer without cable using Wi-Fi. So make sure your phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.